Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to adjust the controller vibration intensity on Mecha Break. So all you have to do is launch the game on your PC or on your console and sign into your account, and you should get to this homepage. And then from here, use the mouse pointer icon or the controller pointer icon and select menu at the bottom right corner. Then select settings from the options that appear. And then within the settings, simply select controller, and under the controller settings, select overall control. Now, all you have to do is scroll down until you find the vibration intensity option. Now keep in mind that this option will only be available if the controller vibration is enabled. So if it's disabled, you can no longer customize the vibration intensity. So ensure that controller vibration is enabled to customize this option. Now, once you've ensured that controller vibration is on, all you have to do is highlight the vibration intensity, and you should see a slider icon. And all you have to do is press and hold the button on your key controller, or you can press and hold the mouse button and adjust the vibration intensity to the specific place that you desire. So let's say if you want to increase the vibration intensity, you can slide it to the right to increase it, or you can slide it to the left to reduce it. So choose the option or rather the point that you prefer. And once you're done, simply exit the settings and the changes will be applied. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.